Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay. It's temporarily unavailable. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your Apple Pay is temporarily unavailable, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to go back and here you have to open up your settings, and in settings you have to make sure that you are connected to your internet with your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN, or you have to make sure that you have any software update available. Or if you have any software update, try to update your software, because sometimes it might be that your system or software is not up to date, so you can get these type issues. And once you have updated your software, you have to try a simple fix. So you just have to open up your Safari or any other browser, and here you have to simply search for support.apple.com. Here you can see there's a website, it's support.apple.com. You have to simply search for this website, and from here you have to select your device which you're using. It might be iPhone, Mac, iPad, watch, or your AirPods. But I'm going to select iPhone from here. Once you have selected, you have to scroll down and look for the Get Support option. Here, the option of Get Support, you have to tap on this Start Now, and here you just have to wait for the next screen. And once you get the next screen, you just have to scroll down, and here you have to look for Wallet, or you have to tap on this More option. Then scroll down again, and you will get the Wallet option here. Once you get the Wallet option, you have to select that option. And here you have to simply tap on this Continue option, and then select this Get More Help. And from here you have to call to your Apple ID or Apple support. So once you have called, you'll get the official help from here that why is your Apple Pay is unavailable. So in this way you can easily fix the issue of your, if you are having the issue of Apple Pay is temporarily unavailable on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.